Do you want to study in Australia on scholarships? Many students search for Monash scholarship, but the reality is there is not just one scholarship. At Monash University, there are multiple scholarships, including fully funded and partial ones. In this video, I'll explain everything clearly: types, eligibility, documents, process, and deadline. First of all, there is a short introduction of Monash University. Monash University is one of the top ranked universities in Australia and is part of the group of 8 which represent leading research university in the country. It is known for high quality education, strong research program, international student support. Students from all over the world apply here every year, especially for research degree like masters and PhD. Now let's understand the Monash scholarship system. One important thing to understand is there is no single Monash scholarship. Instead, there are different scholarships based on your level and profile. Fully funded, mainly research based, partial scholarships, and external scholarships. One of the most important and competitive scholarship is the Monash Graduate Research Scholarship, known as MGRS. This is a fully funded scholarship for students who want to pursue masters by research or PhD. At Monash University, it usually covers full tuition fee, monthly stipend, means living expenses, and health insurance. So basically, it supports both your study and living in Australia. One important thing to understand is you usually don't apply separately for MGRs. When you apply for a research program, you are automatically considered for this scholarship, and your selection depends on your academic performance, your research proposal, and your overall profile, which means you should have a strong profile. If you want to know what is a strong profile, then comments below profile. I'll made a separate video on the strong profile. This is why Monash Graduate Research Scholarship is considered the main fully funded pathway at Monash. This is for high achieving international students. It offers the second is Monash International Merit Scholarship. This is for high achieving international students. It offers partial tuition fee support. The next is external scholarship. You can also study at Monash through programs like Australia Award scholarships. These are fully funded but highly competitive. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. First of all, you need strong academic result, usually 70% or higher, more for competitive programs. Second is English. You need IELTS around 6.5 or 7 bands. Third one is research program. For research scholarship, research proposal is very important. Academic background, you must match your field. Academic background must match your field. Now let's talk about the required documents. You will need academic transcripts and degree, IELTS result, CV, research proposal, recommendation letters, passports. All documents must be complete and properly prepared. Now, what is the application process of this scholarship? First of all, go to the Monash website and select your course on the Monash website. Submit your application for admission. Mean its application submit online. Step third, scholarship consideration. For many scholarship, especially MGRs, you are automatically considered. You don't need to apply separately. In step 4, wait for result. If selected, you shall receive an offer with scholarship detail. If we talk about the deadline, that is the most important part. The deadline for many Monash research scholarship application is 31st July. So there is almost 2 months. That is enough time for a preparation. You must prepare your documents, your research proposal, and must apply for this scholarship. So don't wait till the last moment. Start preparing your documents early, especially your research proposal. Many students often make mistakes like weak research proposal, late application, missing documents, and low IELTS score. Avoid these to increase your chance. Otherwise, you get rejection. And there is one smart strategy. If you want to increase your chance, focus on strong academic, prepare a clear research proposal, and apply before deadline because competition is high. One thing more, if you want, I can guide you step by step about research proposal writing, IELTS preparation, scholarship strategy. Then subscribe to my channel and comment Monash if you are planning to apply. This is all about the Monash scholarship. If you want to know more about the scholarship, then subscribe my channel and stay with me.